Is your Scylla Project apps not working because of the Scylla Debugger module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To begin the walkthrough for Scylla Debugger module, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Scylla Debugger module, a specialized memory dumping library used for reconstructing broken import tables and executable files. It is a staple in the software unpacking and cracking communities. Because it performs deep memory inspection and process manipulation, it is almost always flagged and deleted by antivirus software. If missing, modding tools or deprotection utilities will fail to dump the target application memory. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The presence of Scylla Debugger module DLL is required for the Scylla Project engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Scylla Debugger module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Be aware that manual fixes for Scylla Debugger module DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Scylla Debugger module management. If Scylla Debugger module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.